talking all that hate shit. I'm not talking YM babe shit, but I'm banging on my chest, bitch. Ayy, 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 traveling through the infinity. You know that nigga pretend to be all that bullshit do not get to me. I am spirit and
what
entity.
It is what I do. Welcome back, Griffin GFX community. I'm James. In this video, you've come for a template, I think, unless you're just watching because it's me, in which case I love you very much. Drop a like and subscribe. Anyway, yeah, you've come for a template. The download's in the description. Can't speak properly. You can get the font in the description as well. I've got on screen right now the final product, and it's looping through the colors. This is something that if you don't know how to do in editing, I can do for you. You can get in touch. I can make this whole overlay for you. I can modify it. I could completely change it around if you want, and then I could provide you with the color loop of it just fading, so you can have that as a stream, as like a GIF going around. It's quite a cool effect. If you don't want that, then by all means just go ahead and take this template. You'll see in Photoshop that there's loads of layers, and at the end I tried to name some of them. So like I separated the face cam. Ignore the guy on the face cam, I just used him as a template for the sort of face cam size. It's a generic size, I believe, but if not, you can stretch it around. But yeah, you're watching the speed art of me making it. It started out quite messy. I was doing a bit of experimentation. I had a feeling I was going to make this one and then not like it and make another one, but in the end I sort of looked at some of the different colours and I was actually quite happy with it. The background's not mine, I just downloaded that, and the font's not mine, I just downloaded that. But as I said before, you can grab all that in the description. I've stopped doing videos like this. I used to do them way back and they got quite a lot of views because everyone likes the templates, but I figured you guys wanted to see more sort of tutorials and speed arts and just more sort of interactable, I don't know what the right word is, just in a way better content effectively, because this is just people click on this and they download and they go. But if you do want more of this, I am happy to provide it. It's quite easy for me to make and it does well. So yeah, drop a like if you have downloaded this. It's completely free to use. Credit me if you're a nice person, you know, that's all I can say. If you're not a nice person, then just steal it and run away. It's all good. I just won't like you. It's that simple, really. God, I sound so sinister, don't I? I need to I need a joke voice. Everyone has a joke voice when they're joking. You can tell they're joking. I don't have one, so I come across as like really sinister. Right, anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys. Fortnite is absolutely huge at the moment. Let me know if you're playing it. I've tried playing it. I'm awful, but it's a fun game and it's free to play, so you can't complain. Anyway, yeah, as I said, that's me out, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Make sure to subscribe. I've made this cool animation which I might be doing a tutorial on. I copied it from RiceGum, but you know, he's got a good knack of like video stuff. So yeah.
Life's so funny. I've got a message saying that the streets don't love me, the streets don't love you. If you died today, they wouldn't donate to your fucking GoFundMe. A lot of men hate me, but man can't touch me. That's why I got a chuckle. I'm a poet, no Chucky. My mummy trying to wake me up for college in the morning is the only time a human on this earth has ever rushed me.